Hi, welcome to first video of chapter 3rd. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today, I'm going to discuss about what is a computer virus and types of viruses. First of all, what is the computer virus? A virus is a computer code or program which is capable of affecting your computer data badly, corrupting or destroying. So, virus is a computer program. Who creates the virus? Who creates the virus? Virus is created by a software engineer, developer, intellectual person. So virus is a program, is a code, right? It affects the computer data and destroy them, right? So what is the tendency of the computer virus? To make it duplicate copies at the shift space, and also is spread across every folder and damage the data of your computer system. What happens when the positive tendency of the computer virus? It creates the multiple copies of the same file, and you will see the your computer drive is repeatedly, you can see the increase in the space of the, so it creates a duplicate copies as a shift space, and also split across every folder and damage the data of your computer, right? And you can see here the computer virus here. So this is the code, and it is created by the software engineer, and we'll discuss how it harms your computer. What is the, how can you, how would you know that computer is affected to your computer, your system? Okay. So first of all, discuss the resident virus. What is the resident virus? Resident virus stays permanently in the primary memory. Primary memory, that is the RAM, random access memory of the computer. So when you start the computer, it becomes active and corrupt the file programs running on the computer. Okay. And it also affect, you can see the resident virus, it interrupts all of the operations executed by the system. So resides the RAM. And example of the resident virus, Randex, CMJ, Wave, and Heartclub. So all these are the example of the resident virus. And another is the program or file virus. Program or file virus. So it infects the executable file. You know, executable file, so that exe file, bin, binary format, form file, system file. So it infects the executable files, and it destroy or alters program and data. Do modification in the programs. So Sunday and Cascade are example of the program or file virus. So executable files, when you see the when you're going to install the software, so generally it is in the form of executable file, system file, form file, you can see. So it infect the executable files, program files. Another one is the boot sector virus. So it infects the boot sector on the hard drive and the floppy disk. It is not in use nowadays in the floppy disk. Uh, so earlier it was used of floppy disk, and destroy or alter programs and data. The purpose of generally it is destroy the and alter the programs and data, right? So that only then we say we must take backup of the data so that we can recover if it destroy the file, or you know. So example of the disk killer and stone virus are the example of the boot sector virus. Another one is the multipartite virus. Multipartite, that is the hybrid. So this type of virus is able to infect multiple parts of the system, including boot sector, memory, and files. Right. That is why it is called multipartite virus. So this makes it difficult to detect contain. So this one is a hybrid of the program and boot sector virus. Program and boot sector virus, you can see that hybrid of, and it destroy and alter the program and data. So basically, you can see that viruses generally destroys and alter the programs and data. And example of the multipartite virus, that is the invader, flip, and tachyon. The example of the multipartite, right? And there is the microvirus. So microvirus, unlike the most virus written in the low-level language like C or assembly language, so microvirus written in the high-level language like Visual Basics. These viruses are triggered when the program capable of executing a micro is run. For example, macrovirus can be contained in the spreadsheet files. So macrovirus affect the Word file, and you can see the Excel file. Commonly affect the Word and Excel files. Okay, so it is written in the That means there's the program. Macrovirus, it is a program and which is written in the high-level language, like high-level programming language, Java, Visual Basics, .NET. So it is written in the high-level language and commonly affect the Word and Excel files. Example of the macrovirus, that is the DMB, nuclear, and Word concept. So I hope it is clear to all of you the different types of virus. Next chapter we will, next video will learn more about the different viruses. Thanks for watching the video.